Use StarShipit's Quick Print feature to quickly print orders instantly using either a barcode scanner or through search. In this tutorial, we'll run through this quick and easy process. Start by selecting Quick Print on the left. Here, you can set the action to automatically print the label, open the order to review it, or search for an order. Your preferred option will be saved. You'll also notice there are boxes for including printed orders and including orders from child accounts. You can use the search to find an order by either entering the order number, reference number, or receiver name. Click Search and the order will print. You can then find the order in the Printed tab. To print using a scanner, scan the order number on the packing slip. You can use many different types of scanners, but for our recommended list, check our support article linked in the video description. In order to send labels directly to your thermal printer, download and use our Print app. Check the links in the video description and visit our knowledge base for more helpful tips and tutorials.